Once upon a Thanksgiving, in a home not so far away, there lived a family who loved turkey, stuffing, and Aunt Sue's infamous mystery casserole. It was a feast to remember, full of delicious aromas, laughter, and unknowingly, plumbing doom. They laughed, they ate, they gobbled down every last crumb. But beneath the happiness, a dark cloud loomed, a day the plumbing industry calls Brown Friday. Our story takes a turn as the dishes pile up and the kitchen sink becomes overwhelmed. Grease, potato peels, even some mystery casserole finds its way into the drain. Oh, the garbage disposal tried its best, but it was no match for the feast's aftermath. The guests were making themselves right at home. Some might have overestimated the toilet's abilities, and the TP was flowing a little too generously. Yes, the bathroom too was at its limit. Then came the morning after. While most people rushed for Black Friday sales, this family faced something far less glamorous. Brown Friday, a plumbing catastrophe. With drains clogged and the toilet fighting a losing battle, the family scrambled. But this story has a hero, and that hero is preparation. Had they only known a few simple steps, this disaster could have been avoided. So, here's what you can do to save your plumbing from a similar fate. Step 1. No grease down the drain, pour it into a jar instead and toss it once it cools. Easy, right? Step 2. Potato peels, bones, corn husks. They have no business in the garbage disposal. Only soft foods, my friends. Step 3. Stock your bathroom with an emergency kit. A plunger, extra TP, maybe even a nice candle. Trust us, everyone will thank you. And most importantly, keep a plumber's number handy. And if you need a referral, you can call Vert Environmental for one of our trusted plumbing partners. We're happy to connect you to someone reliable. And by the way, if Brown Friday gets a little messy, you can always count on Vert for testing needs to ensure everything's clean. With just a little planning, you can save your plumbing and your holiday memories. So this Thanksgiving, may your holiday be filled with joy, your feast be delicious, and your plumbing drama-free. Thanks for joining our story, and don't forget to subscribe for more home care tips and tales.